So now that we figured out where we want our first stitch to go, which is 12 from the side and 20 from the top, we're going to count out our first stitch. So it's going to be 3 long. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to stick your needle through that hole and pull your yarn all the way to the back of the canvas, like this. And while you're doing that, you want to stitch your little yarn tail into the pattern so that when you're finished, you will not see all little strings behind your design. So I'm going to be doing a diagonal design today. So I'm going to go for my second stitch. I'm going to go 1 up and put the needle from the back to the front and pull my yarn all the way through. And then again, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Stitch it through the back and pull it nice and tight. You don't want to make it loose at all. And we're going to keep doing that. So I'm going to go 1 up and then pull it all the way through nice and tight and count 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to be making a diagonal design. So there's going to be 7 on each side with 1 point. So now that we've figured out where we want our first flap to go, we're going to make 6 stitches to start closing it up before we have to bring the bottom part up to complete the pouch. So you're going to take your needle, you're going to go through your first stitch from the front, and then you're going to put it through the back part of the plastic canvas, and then you're going to pull your needle through. So you make your first stitch on the side like that. You want to make it tight enough so that it will not come apart, but not too tight that you're going to rip the canvas. So now we're going to move to do our second stitch. So you're going to go through the first part in the front, through the second part in the back, and pull it through. So we have our second stitch. And you're going to pull them nice and tight like that. And we're going to keep going around until we have 6 stitches. Now that we have our first 6 stitches of our top flap, we're going to bring the bottom part up so that it meets those stitches, and we're going to start sewing the big part of the pouch together. So now we're going to continue doing the same knot. You're just going to include this part of the pouch. So we're going to go around through the top, through the lower part, and we're going to stitch it through the back like that and pull it through. And again, you want to make it tight, but not tight that you're going to break the canvas. And we're going to keep doing that until we reach the bottom of our pouch. now that we've done our last stitch, you're going to pull it through, make it nice and tight, and we're going to form a knot. So we're going to go through this stitch twice to make sure it doesn't fall apart. Pull it tight, and then we're going to go through one more time. And as you're going through, you're going to make a loop with your yarn so you can tie a knot, and just like that. And you're going to take your scissor and cut off the extra yarn. Once you finish the first side of the pouch, you're going to flip it over and sew together the back side